In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record on my Samsung phone. Let's get started with the first step. Begin by opening the voice recorder app on your Samsung phone. This app usually comes pre-installed on most Samsung devices, so you should find it easily on your home screen or in the app drawer. If for some reason you don't have this app, don't worry. You can substitute it with Samsung Notes, which also has a voice recording feature. The important thing is to have an app that can capture your voice effectively. Once you have the app open, look for the record button, which is typically represented by a red circle. This button is the key to starting your recording session. Tapping this button will activate the microphone on your phone, allowing it to capture your voice. This step is crucial because it sets everything in motion. Now, with the recording in progress, speak clearly into the phone's microphone. It's important to articulate your words well to ensure the recording is clear and understandable. Keep in mind that the quality of your recording significantly depends on your speaking clarity and the surrounding environment. Try to minimize background noise for the best results. Speaking clearly here is important because it ensures your message is conveyed accurately. After you have finished speaking, the next step is to stop the recording. Tap the stop button, usually represented by a square icon, to end the session. This action finalizes the recording process and prevents any unwanted sounds from being captured. It's a simple step, but it ensures that you only record what you intended to. At this point, you should save your recording. Most apps will prompt you to name the file and choose a location to save it. Take a moment to give your file a meaningful name that you can easily remember later. This makes sure your changes are saved and your recording is easily accessible for future reference. With that ready, you have successfully recorded a voice note on your Samsung phone. This process is straightforward and efficient, making it easy to capture thoughts, reminders, or even important conversations. By mastering this skill, you add a valuable tool to your daily routine, enhancing productivity and organization. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to record a few test notes to get comfortable with the process. Over time, you'll find that recording on your Samsung phone becomes second nature. This little step saves you a lot of time later, as you won't need to jot things down manually. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at recording on your Samsung device. Until next time, take care and happy recording.